What's good? What's good? What's good? What is good? Once again, it's your boy, the Black Hippie, and this is another Black Hippie update. So today I want to touch base on screen printing and screen printing on a budget. Although we would like to have the fancy machinery, the fancy quality paints and inks and dyes and screens, lights and LEDs that take to print on garments, right? But there's an easier way for those who can't afford all of that. For those who, are on a budget or just trying to get something quickly done. Now, it took me a while to figure this out for myself, but now that I have figured it out, I am so happy to share this information with you. So, let's get into it. So, here is what I use to make a quick, one-time use screen pretty much. Because once you wash out the screen, this will literally go away or it will start to come off and start to peel. So that's why I say one-time use. But what I use is, I use my Cricut. My Cricut cutter, and I am using Cricut's permanent, I don't know if you guys can see that, premium vinyl Cricut permanent gloss, or permanent brilliance, brilliant. So, you don't want to use just the regular window vinyl that they have. Don't get it twisted. It has to be permanent. Keyword, permanent. It's the one that you want to get, permanent. Because when you use just the window vinyl, that literally comes off very easily. It doesn't stay very long. My experience with the permanent one, it sticks. It stays. It doesn't really come off unless you scrub it off or you peel it off. So, the permanent, right? So, and I think one of these, I got this from Michael's. I brought one of these for maybe like $12, right? Not too bad. I know you could probably get them cheaper online, but I was trying to make a quick run, so I got these in white. So, I got a whole bunch of them actually. Got black, got red, this one is white. So, I got a few of them. So, and plus, with me being a Michael's member, see, got the white, why not? Go nuts. Go crazy. Get as much as you need. You understand? Get as much as you need. You know what I mean? But I say that to say it's the best thing I've used so far, hands down. You don't have to get photo emulsion. You don't have to go through the whole oxidizing or whatever you call it. You don't got to go through the steps of washing out a screen, waiting for it to cure, then washing out the image, then wait for that to dry, and then it's too much stuff. So something very simple, very easy. I'm going to show you on my Cricut, cutting out my image and how I screen print it onto a garment or two. Today I'm putting them on some scarves, some handkerchiefs. See? I'm using some handkerchiefs And we're going to make something simple and easy, and something that I can really carry around to promote. You know what I mean? Very simple, very easy to do. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get into the whole cutting process. You dig? Spots that you don't want to be in the image, you want to put your transfer tape on top. See that? That's the transfer tape. Now, in my experience of this transfer tape, this is Cricut's transfer tape and contact transfer tape. Turn it around. See it? Contact transfer tape. This one is way better when you're doing stickers, decals, because this one comes off very easily as to this one. is very sticky and it's very hard to pull off your image. So if you're going to use transfer tape, in my opinion, contact. Go with this one. So again, now we got our images together. Now it's time to put on the screens. A lot of these things I'm going to do off screen because I don't have second hand or don't have anyone to hold the camera right now. But right now I'm going to set up my screen and set up the location of my image of where I want them to lay on the handkerchiefs. Let's get to it. So as you can see, it came out decent. You know what I mean? Little quick project, little quick DIY. You see? I'm pleased. Now all I have to do is to press them and put on our custom tags. What's good? So I am finally done screening, pressing, printing, whatever you want to call it. Quickly, only made 5 off of this screen. I could have made more, but all I had was 5. So if you want one of these black hippie flags, and they all come with the exclusive tags, you understand? All our items get our exclusive tags. So if you would like to donate to the cause and to what I'm doing, or if you just like what I'm doing, or if you think I'm just crazy in what I'm doing, there will be a link in the bio or somewhere up here. I'll leave a link for you guys to get you one, to purchase yourself one of these flags. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the page. We got more things coming. As always, I hope I taught someone something, showed someone something different, although there's other people who may do something, but they don't do it like the Black Hippie do it. So with that being said, peace.